The foods you eat before your workout will influence the amount of weight you can lift, your energy levels, and your overall workout performance. Likewise, the foods you eat after your workout will determine how much muscle you build, how much fat you burn, and how quickly your muscles recover afterwards. Both are very important, and usually people focus much more on their workout rather than what they're actually eating. This is a big mistake because planning the food you eat will lead to much better results than just working out and eating whatever before and after your workout. Most people that aren't used to working out on an empty stomach perform much better when they actually have a pre-workout meal. So let's start there first. What are some of the best foods you can have before lifting weights? Well, lifting weights, especially if you intend to lift heavy weights, is powered mainly by glucose, which is a broken down, simplified form of carbohydrates. Of course, you also already know that there are big benefits to having enough protein throughout the day and spreading out a protein source into each meal as well. Even though protein is typically not as useful as carbs before a workout, protein is still an important part of your pre-workout meal. So the ideal pre-workout meal includes a combination of carbohydrates for energy and a small amount of protein to spare muscle breakdown and assist with muscle recovery. The one macronutrient that you want to be careful of before you lift weights is dietary fat. Fat will slow down the digestion of your meal. Because of this, dietary fat can cause digestive discomfort while you're exercising. Very high fiber foods, ones that are even healthy like vegetables, can do the same. So you want to stick to foods that are easy to digest before your workout. You also want to aim to eat anywhere from 1 to 3 hours before your workout. The sweet spot tends to be 2 hours, but it really depends on how long it takes for your body to digest the food. So a great simple carbohydrate option right off the bat is a banana. Bananas are an excellent pre-workout food because they provide easily digestible carbohydrates for quick and sustained energy, along with potassium to support muscle function and prevent cramps during exercise. Bananas are also gentle on the stomach, making them easy to digest, and since you can take them with you anywhere, they're a convenient option for people with busy schedules. You can combine a banana with a simple, easy digestible protein source like Greek yogurt, adding 10 to 15 grams of protein to your pre-workout meal. Another easy to digest carbohydrate is white rice. White rice is an excellent pre-workout food because it provides easily digestible, fast-acting carbohydrates that fill your glycogen stores, which fuel your muscles for weightlifting. Unlike brown rice, white rice has a lower fiber content which helps it digest quickly without any digestive issues. To make it a balanced meal, pair white rice with a lean source of protein like grilled chicken, ground turkey, or egg whites. These are all light on the stomach while still providing all the essential amino acids for your body. Another great carb combo before your workout is oats with berries. Together, these make for an excellent pre-workout meal because they provide a balance of slower digesting carbs from the oats for sustained energy and natural sugars from the berries for a faster energy boost. That's why this meal should keep you feeling energized throughout your entire workout. You can combine oats and berries with Greek yogurt, a scoop of protein powder mixed into the oats, or a high protein milk mixed into the oats. You can also combine it with a side of boiled egg whites for an ideal pre-workout meal. Now, if you don't have any time to prep, rice cakes can be an easy yet effective pre-workout carb alternative. They provide fast digesting carbohydrates for a quick energy boost without making you feel heavy. You can add PB2 or another low-fat dehydrated peanut or almond butter powder to the rice cakes. This will add flavor while also incorporating more protein. Alternatively, you can add some turkey or chicken deli slices on your rice cakes to improve taste while adding protein instead. One last very simple pre-workout carb that can work very well, yet most people are terribly afraid of, is white bread. White bread can digest very quickly, usually within 30 to a maximum of 60 minutes. It's light, easy to digest, and requires no prep time. Even though it isn't as nutrient dense as whole grain bread, its quick digesting nature can make it a very practical choice before lifting heavy weights. You can add similar protein sources as you would on top of the rice cakes, or you can simply toast the bread and eat it with egg whites for your pre-workout meal. Now let's move on to post-workout, and the truth is you don't necessarily have to eat anything before your workout. You can get away with a workout on an empty stomach if you've been practicing fasting and it seems to work well for you. However, a post-workout meal is definitely not something you should skip. Although you don't have to have a post-workout meal immediately after your workout, you do want to get some kind of nutrition into your body within a few hours after your workout. Your post-workout meal should prioritize protein to repair the damage to your muscles, and it should also include carbs to replenish your muscles' glycogen stores that were depleted during that heavy weightlifting workout. Healthy fats also have their place in a solid post-workout meal. Now, most people know one of the easiest post-workout meals happens to be a protein shake with a banana. You can mix whey protein, water, and a banana in a blender, and it'll help with all things you need for recovery. If you're looking to add muscle and are trying to increase your calories, you can also swap the water for whole milk, add a scoop of uncooked oats, and add a spoonful of peanut butter. This will make the shake taste much better. It'll incorporate slower and faster digesting sources of carbs, and it'll help you achieve a calorie surplus so that you can build muscle easier. Another great option is salmon with sweet potatoes. This is an excellent post-workout meal because it provides the perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support muscle recovery. The salmon is rich in high-quality protein for muscle repair and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and soreness. Sweet potatoes deliver complex carbs to replenish glycogen stores and essential vitamins like vitamin C and potassium to aid in recovery. This nutrient-dense combination helps repair muscles, restore energy, and reduce post-workout fatigue, making it an ideal choice for effective recovery. Keep in mind, post-workout, you can also incorporate vegetables into any of your meals, and this would be a perfect meal to add some broccoli or Brussels sprouts to. Since you're done with your workout, the meal can be slower digesting with more fats and more fiber. An equally effective alternative post-workout meal with similar features, and it also happens to be a common staple in bodybuilding nutrition: chicken, brown rice, and vegetables. The chicken delivers high-quality protein to repair and rebuild your muscles, while the brown rice replenishes glycogen stores with slow-digesting carbs for sustained energy. You can saute these ingredients together with some olive oil or avocado oil and add seasonings like garlic, onion, paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper to make it feel as rewarding for your taste buds as it is rewarding for your recovery. Now, if you're on the go, you may not have time to cook a full meal, so a very simple option is hard-boiled eggs in combination with a piece of fruit. After a workout, you can have the entire egg since you don't need to worry too much about the speed of digestion. Combining the eggs with fruit makes for an excellent, well-balanced grab-and-go post-workout option. The eggs offer high-quality protein to support muscle repair and recovery, along with essential nutrients like B vitamins and choline. They also provide healthy fats from the yolks. The fruit adds natural sugars to replenish glycogen stores along with fiber and vitamins. Another on-the-go option is to have tuna packets with whole grain crackers or whole grain bread. There are many delicious tuna packets that you can buy at the store with flavors like sweet and spicy, deli-style tuna salad, ranch, and garlic herb. All these taste great while being made up almost entirely of protein. So the tuna will help satisfy your protein requirements, although you may need 2 or more packets depending on your size and how much protein you're aiming for on a daily basis. The crackers or the bread are a source of complex carbohydrates to replenish energy stores and keep you feeling fueled. This combination is quick, mess-free, and perfect for refueling after workout when time is limited. Moving on, another option that requires cooking but is definitely worth it is a beef burger with a whole grain bun and sweet potato fries. This is a satisfying and nutrient-rich way to refuel after a workout. The lean beef provides high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and zinc to support muscle repair and growth. Meanwhile, the whole grain bun adds complex carbohydrates, helping to replenish those glycogen stores. Sweet potato fries also contribute additional complex carbs along with vitamins A and C, which aid in reducing inflammation and boosting recovery. This balanced meal also satisfies hunger, making it both effective and enjoyable in terms of post-workout nutrition. Next, we have another option, shrimp with quinoa and avocado. This meal combines all the essential nutrients you need after workout. Shrimp is a tasty, low-fat source of protein, while quinoa serves as a nutrient-dense carbohydrate that also happens to have all 9 essential amino acids. The avocado adds healthy fats along with potassium and vitamins that help promote recovery. This meal is light, yet packed with the nutrients your body needs to recover effectively and feel energized after lifting weights. One last quick option is a protein bar with rice cakes or a drink like even Gatorade that contains post-workout carbs. Although I would prefer that you make a well-balanced meal, if you're in a pinch, you can simply have a protein bar with some additional carbs after your workout. This is one of the easiest post-workout meals that can really be taken anywhere. Another similar option would be string cheese and fruit, but again, even though it will get the job done when you're in a crunch, there are far better options if you actually have time to prep a meal. So those are some of the best examples of what you can eat before and after your workout to maximize the results from all your hard work lifting weights. Obviously, there are many other combos that you can think of to replace these meals with. The key thing to keep in mind is that you want an easy and fast digesting meal before your workout, so low fat, low fiber, and easy to digest foods. Meanwhile, after your workout, you can have more fat, more fiber, and slower digesting sources of protein and carbohydrates. So that about wraps it up. I really hope this video has helped you understand more about what your pre and post-workout meals can look like. If you also want to learn how to lose a substantial amount of body fat, or you want to build muscle faster without all the typical trial and error